Zero waste conclusions. From many past situations, we can see the importance of waste management and a zero waste lifestyle. Wastes cause a plethora of problems and have an impact on both the economy and society of a place. The economic impact of wastes is that a huge amount of potential is lost in the economy because the excess amount of wastes means that an excess amount of valuable material is lost in the form of waste and their full economic potential cannot be harnessed by us. Areas with excessive waste dumping sites are shown to have a higher rate of diseases. In some areas, the employment opportunities are affected due to this. In the communities located in or very close to huge landfills, the mean income of adults is shown to be lesser. Thus, we can say that wastes have an effect on society too. Wastes have an especially large role in polluting the environment. Non-biodegradable wastes like plastic and factory wastes are contributors to this. There are, however, a lot of solutions to these issues. The first is that the economic potential lost when materials are wasted can be regained through a circular economy. While in a linear economy, objects become wastes after their use, in a circular economy, these objects are either reused or serve a secondary purpose as secondary resources and retain their value in the economy for further economic use. The second is that waste management initiatives by individuals can also help reduce most social and environmental issues caused by dumping of wastes. If a zero waste lifestyle can be practiced on an individual level, where each individual reuses their waste materials for further use or takes up a simple activity such as reducing wastes or composting at a household level, diseases caused by dumping of wastes in communities and the amount of landfills can be reduced. In conclusion, we cannot always rely upon others in order to maintain waste efficiently. The time has come where each person takes up their own initiative in order to contribute to this cause. So don't just sit there. Take up an initiative and begin your very own zero waste lifestyle.